Welcome back to Lyra Tech. Today we are looking at the GoPro LIT Hero, a compact and rugged action camera designed to capture all your adventures in stunning 4K. This model aims to simplify the GoPro experience while still delivering impressive results, even in challenging lighting conditions. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's dive into the core performance and image quality that the GoPro LIT Hero brings to the table for all your action-packed footage. This camera truly shines when it comes to capturing dynamic moments. It combines high-resolution video with stable footage, ensuring your adventures look sharp and smooth. The added lighting feature is also a game-changer for creative shots in varied conditions. The GoPro LIT Hero captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, which is fantastic for smooth, high-resolution footage of any activity. For still images, it delivers clear 12-megapixel photos and can even pull impressive 11-megapixel stills directly from your video recordings using the GoPro Quick app. It also features GoPro's renowned HyperSmooth stabilization, which keeps your footage incredibly steady and professional-looking, even during the most intense activities. A standout feature is the built-in light, offering 3 brightness settings that can illuminate scenes or capture shots in total darkness, even working when the camera is off or charging. Overall, the LIT Hero delivers impressive image quality, especially with its 4K video and stabilization, enhanced by a built-in light that sets it apart. Moving on, let's talk about the physical design, how easy it is to use, and the overall value you get with the GoPro LIT Hero. This action camera is clearly built for the outdoors, ready to withstand challenging environments. Its user-friendly interface makes it approachable for beginners, while its compact size ensures it won't be a burden on your travels. Considering its capabilities, the price point offers significant bang for your buck. True to GoPro tradition, the LIT Hero is incredibly rugged and completely waterproof down to 16 feet, making it perfect for capturing action in mud, snow, or water. As an entry-level GoPro, it features simplified controls, allowing you to easily tap and swipe between video, photo, and slow-mo modes for a seamless user experience. Weighing just 0.2 pounds, the LIT Hero is exceptionally lightweight and compact, which means it will not add significant bulk to your gear, making it ideal for travel. At its current price point, the GoPro LIT Hero offers strong value, combining 4K 60 video, HyperSmooth stabilization, and that useful built-in light from a trusted brand. The LIT Hero is built tough for any adventure, incredibly easy to operate, and offers excellent value for its robust feature set. The GoPro LIT Hero lives up to its name, bringing excellent 4K 60 video, top-tier stabilization, and a surprisingly useful built-in light to a more accessible package. Its rugged, waterproof design ensures you can take it almost anywhere, making it a fantastic companion for capturing action without complication. While it is positioned as an entry-level camera, its core performance makes it a strong contender for anyone seeking a capable and durable action camera. This is a very compelling option for both new users and seasoned adventurers alike.